Ooh.
Hey everybody, welcome to another Splatty video, and for this one, Izzy's joining me again, and we are going to be drawing a monkey. But before we do that, please click the Splatty icon in the bottom right corner of your screen and help us along by subscribing. Okay, so for this one, Izzy, we start right here in the middle again. Okay, and we are going to draw his head first. So a bit of spiky hair, you know.
A spiky hair.
Okay. Okay, that's big, that's big. So you need to make the head a round head.
Around.
We're gonna put the ear on each side, a big ear.
A big ear.
And another big ear.
Another big ear.
So we have the head with two ears. We can fill in the inside of the ear. And on the other side the same. There we go. Okay, so for now, in the middle, we're going to draw an inner line going like that, and then cutting down at his cheek.
Okay.
Into his cheek. There we go. Now look here, from this line, down the side, cutting into his cheek.
Down the line, cutting in the
Let's see yours. Move your hand. There we go. Okay, so now we can draw eyebrows up here.
eyebrow.
See, monkey has facial hair. They have hair in their face. And then down here, around the middle of the head of the circle, we draw two big eyes.
Two big eyes.
We draw a button nose.
A button nose.
Yeah, it's cute. And a smile. Okay, we can put in the pupils here. We throw in the pupils.
Pupil.
And we color them in with the marker.
That did it.
Okay, I'll just fold it up a bit more here, but okay, I got it folded in.
I already done.
Are you done? Wow, you're ahead of me. So now this is where you must pay attention. So from the bottom, we're gonna draw a line up there, just to the side of his head. That's gonna form his arm. And now on the other side, we're gonna draw a line coming down there. Okay. So watch this. We're gonna add a bit of fluff here with hair and bring it down till there.
Fluff.
And bring the arm down.
Light show.
That's right. Some fluff on this arm. And we bring it in. And there's his other arm. Okay, my one arm is also thicker than my other arm. So watch this. A tummy line, but his tummy is going to the side here, coming this way. And now we draw the other tummy line there also. So he's hanging sideways, and we cut that off with a straight line. Okay, and now we fill in he's got a bare tummy. We put down a little belly button.
Belly button.
Now be careful with this next bit. Just watch me. I draw a line up and that way.
Line up and that way.
Now I'm bringing this line around to form a thumb. You see, it's like a finger. There we go. Now watch this. I'm drawing a knuckle there. That's another finger around that thumb.
Around that thumb.
Let me see. That's right. Now we draw 3 more fingers. Got 3 more fingers? Okay. Now we complete the hand there. Now we can draw in a branch because he's hanging. See? This is a branch he's hanging from. And I'm just drawing another one and another offshoot of a branch.
Yeah.
Can you see? It's part of a tree. You following mine? You can add another branch. Branch it's your tree, so you can make it however you want it. There we go. Now watch me. I'm adding some leaves on here. You can add leaves on yours. Any leaves, it doesn't matter. Your own leaves.
Yep.
That's nice. And I'm gonna add a leaf up here. Some leaves. Like 2 or 3.
Yep.
I got 3 leaves up there as well. And now, down here. Okay, now it's on the other hand, yeah. I'm gonna draw 2 W's next to each other. Watch me. There's a W.
Yeah.
And I'm making another W against it. So that's 4 knuckles.
That for knuckle.
And I complete the hand.
Yo.
And watch this. He's got
a banana.
a banana in his hand.
Yeah. That like from Minions.
And minions like bananas as well. That's correct.
Yep. And so I didn't play Plants vs Zombie in a long time.
Didn't play Plants vs Zombies in a long time. Your monkey's so cute.
Yeah.
Now watch this. Our monkey's wearing a pants. So one line down.
One line down.
A line going out that way.
Yeah.
And a line going this way.
Line down that way.
And now that way.
Now that way.
And we complete the pants. So I'm going to draw a leg curling out here.
Yeah.
With fluff at the end like we did with the arms. And now another leg going out that way. Also some fluff here at the end. Now monkeys, their feet looks like hands.
Yeah.
It's like that. It looks like this. They have a thumb and they have fingers, but it's their foot. So I'm going to draw finger coming out. That's the thumb, and then I'm going to draw 4 more fingers there, like a hand. That's good. And the side as well. Drawing a finger coming out like a thumb, and I'm adding 4 more fingers. So what's missing from a monkey? A monkey is basically a tail. So where do you want your tail to go? We can have his tail coming out this way, curling around. It can be swinging around here. Where are you going to put your tail?
Like so.
Okay, then you draw in your tail and I'll draw my tail this way.
Yeah.
So my tail is coming around here, curling once, and I'm following this line again.
Yeah.
And I'm completing it. And there's my monkey.
Yep, I don't know what I do.
You can do the same thing, but if you want to do it on that side, you can go. So throw a line out, and you throw the line,
Like so.
and you can make it rotate. You can make it curl around.
Like so.
Yeah. Now you can follow that same line, and go in with the curl again. Go with it.
Did?
So you go. Watch me. You go around there, and you complete that line. No. Okay, yes. Complete it. And that way, yeah. There. So your monkey's tail is also curling.
Yep.
Yep. So
like so.
that's okay. Your monkey's tail is curling that way.
Yep.
Your monkey looks cooler than mine. Your monkey he looks funky. I like the way his shoulders popped up on that side. It's a really nice monkey.
Yeah, so why did we draw pea shooter from Plants vs Zombie?
Plants vs Zombies pea shooters on the card. So we'll have to draw that at some point.
Yeah. I want pea shooter shooting a pea.
Shooting a pea. Okay, so now let's grab some colors and do this. Color it. Okay, so I'm gonna go with orange on mine.
Yeah, I do brown.
You like your golden brown.
Yeah. And so in real life, it always be brown.
Monkey always be brown in real life. As you guys can see, the video is sped up, so we're just rushing through this real quick. Your monkey has a blue pants.
Yeah. But in real life then, it had a 10 color. A color that like us.
A color just like us.
Yeah.
Okay. There we go. My leaves are done. My monkey's banana is done. Your tree has a little flower on the branch there.
Yeah. And the leaf.
I see you got your flower over there.
Yep.
And I'm done.
And
you're done as well? We'll post. You didn't get your leaf, yeah. Okay, so that's it everybody. You can rewatch the video, pause and follow along slowly if we're going too fast. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment. Please like, do subscribe. Be good.
Have fun.
And have fun. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.